Transform your morning routine for better mental clarity. Your morning routine isn't just about getting out of bed, it's about setting the tone for the rest of your day. The first hour after you wake up is crucial. It influences your mental clarity, productivity, and overall well-being. By making intentional choices, you can boost focus, emotional balance, and energy levels. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm, focus, and intention. A morning routine designed to unlock better mental clarity and set the tone for success. The way you begin your day profoundly shapes your mindset, productivity, and emotional well-being. In this video, we'll guide you through transformative habits and practices that will help you take charge of your mornings, sharpen your mental focus, and create the clarity you need to thrive in every aspect of life. Let's embark on this journey to transform not just your mornings, but your mind and your potential. How you wake up sets the stage for your day. Instead of hitting snooze, commit to waking up at the same time every morning. This consistency regulates your body's internal clock, improving focus and mental clarity throughout the day. Place your alarm clock across the room. This forces you to get out of bed right away. As you wake up, set a positive intention for your day, like today, I'll focus on progress, not perfection. After a night of rest, your body is naturally dehydrated. Start your day with a glass of water to rehydrate, kickstart your metabolism, and support brain function. For added benefits, include a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C boost. Even mild dehydration can impair memory, attention, and cognitive performance. This simple habit keeps you sharp and focused. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for mental clarity. Spend 5 to 10 minutes focusing on your breath, practicing gratitude, or setting your intentions for the day. These practices reduce stress and help you stay present, creating a calm and clear mindset. If you're new to meditation, try guided apps like Headspace or Calm to get started. Physical activity in the morning is a game changer. Movement increases blood flow to the brain, releasing endorphins that elevate mood and sharpen focus. Whether it's yoga, a brisk walk, or a quick workout, just 10 minutes can make a difference. Choose a simple activity you enjoy. Even stretching can boost energy and mental clarity. What you eat for breakfast matters. Choose foods that fuel your brain and support sustained energy. Here are some great options. Avocado toast on whole grain bread, packed with healthy fats and complex carbs. Greek yogurt with berries, full of antioxidants and probiotics. Green smoothies, rich in leafy greens and fruits for hydration and detoxification. Avoid sugary cereals or processed snacks that can lead to energy crashes later in the day. Resist the urge to check your phone or social media first thing in the morning. Instead, dedicate the first 30 minutes to activities aligned with your goals, like journaling, planning, or reading something uplifting. Starting your day with external stimuli can increase stress and distract you from focusing on what truly matters. Spend 5 minutes writing down your top 3 priorities for the day. This simple act gives you direction and clarity, ensuring you're focused on what's most important. Use a bullet journal or a digital planner to keep track of your goals and progress. Gratitude is a powerful mindset shift. Take a moment to write down 3 things you're grateful for. This practice promotes positivity and emotional resilience. Share your gratitude with someone else. It not only brightens your day, but can strengthen your relationships too. Transforming your morning routine isn't about adding complexity, it's about creating intentional habits that serve you. By implementing these steps, you'll not only optimize your mornings, but also set the foundation for a more productive, focused, and fulfilling life. Start small and be consistent. As you integrate these practices, you'll notice a significant shift in your mental clarity and overall well-being. Thank you for spending this time with me. Now, let's take the first step together toward mornings that inspire and energize us. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I'm here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.